In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on RLC future, while examining iexec RLC cost estimate for 2022 and past in a significant manner. If it's not too much trouble, in a real sense remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, truly not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like iexec RLC. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive extremely profound into the iexec RLC value expectation and answer questions in the event that RLC especially is a sort of wise speculation or not, for what reason will RLC generally succeed or basically come up short, or for what reason will iexec RLC value rise or drop, we should rapidly especially toss a look at what is RLC and its to-date history, which is genuinely huge. RLC price prediction for the next 90 days. The truly entire crypto world truly is on an edge of an undeniable explicitly bear market, which most certainly is very critical. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unequaled high, in the midst of the more extensive market drops, affected by seething expansion and US Fed rate increments. Financial backers basically are selling dangerous resources and moving into substantially more most certainly stable business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe really play, and subsequently the auction in a significant manner. Our algo still sees a sum in every way that really matters, green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is essentially reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move in the kind of inverse bearing and alter the course, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to especially do likewise. We have seen this situation many truly times in the separated and later history, in an exceptionally significant manner. Our cost expectation model certainly is negative for the genuinely next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We fundamentally expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Crypto Vault Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each task incredibly. Essentials that we assess sort of our group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative by and large potential, and some sort of other fundamentally exclusive elements created in our crypto lab amazingly. iexec RLC price prediction 2022, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Most of specialists explicitly concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the primary quarter of 2022, preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions in an exceptionally significant manner. Crypto Vault expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise, which generally is genuinely huge. Underneath for the most part is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022, August 25.83% $0.7465. 2022 September 35.32% $0.6510, or so they especially thought. 2022, October 29.59% $0.7088, which is very huge. 2022 November 23.51% $0.7699 in a quite enormous manner. 2022 December 22.26% $0.7825, or so they thought. 2023, Jan 15.21% $0.8535. 2023 February 11.32% $0.8926 in a sort of significant manner. 2023 Mar 1.93% $0.9872, which is genuinely huge. 2023, April plus 1.24% $1.02. 2023, May plus 11.65% $1.12. 2023 June plus 13.99% $1.15 in an unobtrusive manner. 2023 July plus 17.60% $1.18. RLC price prediction 2025, or so they thought. Our forecast model sees RLC coming to $2.05 in 2025, as opposed to prevalent thinking. What will RLC generally be worth in 5 years? Amazingly, the cost of RLC in 5 years could lie around $1.81, as per Crypto Vault expectation model. iexec coin price prediction 2030-2040, in opposition to prevalent thinking. What iexec RLC will be worth in 2030, which is genuinely critical. Our gauging model sees iexec RLC coming to $5.13 in 2030, which is genuinely huge. What iexec RLC will by and large be in every way that really matters, worth in 2040 in a significant way. Our estimating model sees iexec RLC coming to $10.27 in 2040, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Will iexec RLC supplant, outperform, truly overwhelm Bitcoin in a significant manner? No, iexec RLC won't basically supplant or by and large surpass BTC. Might iexec RLC in every way that really matters at any point reach $10? Indeed, iexec RLC could really reach $10 toward 2022 in an unpretentious manner's end. Might iexec RLC at any point reach $100, which is genuinely critical? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for iexec RLC to explicitly reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Might iexec RLC at any point by and large reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for iexec RLC to sort of reach $1,000 in the sort of short or mid-term period. Is iexec RLC certainly worth purchasing in a significant manner? We essentially are promoters of modestly unsafe financial planning by and large. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bushel of huge cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with gigantic potential gain, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, iexec RLC basically will be essentially worth purchasing, or so they fundamentally thought. Is iexec RLC a wise venture? iexec RLC is, very much like for all plans and purposes other digital currencies, a dangerous venture, or so they thought. It really does generally have kind of higher likelihood of going up and down, due to the sort of good use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group